Good morning, students. Today we will study about our next chapter. The chapter is mensuration. The chapter 11, and first of all, we will introduce about the area of a square. What do you mean by area of a square? Like we have this is a square, and this is A, and this is also A. If we are finding the area of a square, we have to multiply side with side. That will be equal to A square. Also, perimeter of a square is equal to 4a, means the sum of all sides. Area of a rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to sum of all sides, means 2 bracket a plus b. Third point is area of circle. A circle is that where radius is r and center is o, and the area of circle will be pi r square. Perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Area of a semicircle is equal to half of pi r square. Let's start our question number 1. The question number 1 of 11.1 exercise is that a square and rectangular field with measurement as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? So we have a square, we have a square and a rectangle. We have a square and a rectangle in which side is 60 meter, and this here length or breadth you can say this is 80 meter. So we have a square and a rectangular field with measurement as given in the figure have the same perimeter. We have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? हमें ये बताना है कि किसका एरिया ज्यादा है. Next, so what is the solution of this question is that we have given that given perimeter of a square is equal to perimeter of a rectangle. So what is perimeter of a square? We have learnt in the formulas, that is 4a, which is equal to 2 bracket l plus b. So 4 multiply side is 60 meter. So we'll put side is 60 meter. 2 bracket l means 80 meter. That will be 80. B means b. Now 4 multiply 60 is equal to 280 is equal to 160 plus 2b. Now 6 4 ja 240, and the plus 160 will go to the another side of the equal to will be minus 160, which is equal to 2b. When 240 is subtracting 160, will get 80 is equal to 2b. When 2 we will be go to the reciprocal of the other side. So 80 by 2 is equal to 40 meter. So b is equal to 40 meter. Now area of square is equal to 60 multiply 60 is equal to 3600 square meter. Area of rectangle 80 multiply 40 is equal to 3200 square meter. Hence square field has larger area, because we have, and we can see that there is 3600, here is 3200. Okay, so this square field has larger area. Now our next question is that Mr. Koshik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per square meter. Mr. Koshik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. तो ये हमारे पास एक स्क्वायर प्लॉट है, और इस प्लॉट में हमारे पास ये घर है जहां पर वो बनाना चाहते हैं. तो हम इसी अकॉर्डिंग इसका सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे. He said area of the plot is equal to 25 multiply 25, that is equal to 625 square meter. So area of the house will be length multiply breadth, that will be 20 multiply 15 is equal to 300 square meter. So what will be the area of garden? That is area of plot minus area of house. 625 minus 300 is equal to 325 square meter. So cost of developing the garden is 325 हमारे पास टोटल है, ठीक है ना. 1 स्क्वायर मीटर का कॉस्ट हमारे पास कितना रहता है 55 का, तो हम वही लिखेंगे 325 मल्टीप्लाई 55 इज इक्वल टू 117,875. Next is question number 3. And one more message I want to tell you about, that in the previous chapters, one question 11 was left, and everybody was replying that, sir, question number 11 is left, question number 11 is left. I would like to confirm you, if I am leaving any question in any exercise, it means the question can be done by students itself. The students can do the question themselves, no problem at all. Okay, so you are not required to tell me that this question is has you left, this question is not done by you. You have the capacity of doing these type of questions which are not done by me, because the questions may be same of the previous question. Okay students, the message is very important. So I don't want again any type of this message which can be create problems. Okay, so if you have any query, you are always welcome. If you have any query about any question, but this type of things are not allowed. Okay, so our next question is question number 3. The shape of a garden is rectangular. The shape of a garden is rectangular. In the middle, जो garden है हमारे पास वो क्या है, एक rectangular shape में है middle में, and semi circular at the ends as shown in the diagram. ये हमारे पास डायग्राम है, आप देख सकते हैं। इसकी लेंथ क्या है 20 मीटर, और यहाँ से क्या है 7 मीटर। फाइंड द एरिया एंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द गार्डन। आपको एरिया निकालना है और क्या निकालना है, पेरीमीटर। और लेंथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर आपको क्या दी हुई है 20, हिंट दिया हुआ आपके पास 20 माइनस 3.5 प्लस 3.5, इसी का इस्तेमाल करेंगे हम। तो देखेंगे सब बच्चे, थर्ड क्वेश्चन में ये हमारे पास क्या था, डायग्राम गिवन था, ठीक है। तो लेंथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगल निकालने का तरीका क्या होगा, 20 माइनस 3.5 प्लस 3.5, क्योंकि यहां से लेकर यहां तक जो है 3.5 है। अगर हमें लेंथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगल निकालनी है तो हम यहाँ से ये वाला एरिया, ये वाली लेंथ जो है माइनस कर देंगे, तो हमारे पास लेंथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगल क्या आएगी 13 मीटर। सो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल विल बी लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई ब्रेथ। So we have length is 13 and the breadth is 7, that will be equal to 91 square meter. Area of two circular ends, which is equal to half of pi r square, that is the semicircle area, and we have two circular ends, so we will do twice. So 2 can be cancelled with 2 and we'll get a pi r square. So 22 by 7 multiply 7 by 2 multiply 7 by 2, 7 is the radius. Okay, so we get 77 by 2 square meter is equal to 38.5 square meter. So total area is equal to 91 square meter plus 38.5 square meter is equal to 129.5 square meter. So total perimeter, how can we find the perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle plus perimeter of two ends. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle means 2 bracket L plus B plus 2 pi r, and minus 2 r cut twice means यहां से लेकर हमने देखो ये पेरीमीटर पहले इसका निकाला रेक्टेंगल का, और फिर इस एंड का, सर्कुलर एंड्स का। तो जो ये वाला पार्ट है ये क्या है, ये रेडियस का ट्वाइस है, तो ये 2r कितनी बार है, 2 बार है ना। तो हमें इस पेरीमीटर में से, इस रेक्टेंगल के पेरीमीटर में से इस 2r को माइनस करना पड़ेगा, तो हमने इस 2r का ट्वाइस कर दिया, माइनस कर दिया। तो ये हमारे पास आया सोल्व करके 48 मीटर। वी विल पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस, ठीक है। आफ्टर सोल्विंग दिस वी गेट 48 मीटर। सो द टोटल पेरीमीटर इज 48 मीटर। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. A flooring tile has the shape of a parallelogram whose base is 24 मीटर। एक फ्लोरिंग टाइल है जिसकी शेप कैसी है, पैरेललोग्राम की है, और बेस कैसा है 24 सेंटीमीटर है, एंड द कोरस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट इज 10 सेंटीमीटर। हाइट भी दी हुई है, बेस भी दिया हुआ है, एरिया निकाल लेंगे हम। अब कहते हैं हाउ मेनी सच टाइल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू कवर द फ्लोर ऑफ द एरिया 1080 स्क्वायर मीटर। इतना एरिया दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। तो कितनी टाइल्स का इस्तेमाल लेंगे, मतलब नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स निकालनी है। तो हमारे पास देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर क्या है 1080 स्क्वायर मीटर, तो हम इसको स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। एक मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर होते हैं, तो एक स्क्वायर मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर होंगे 10,000 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर। सो एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल इज इक्वल टू base into height, that is base into height is equal to, base means 24, height is 10, that is 240 square centimeter. What is the formula of number of tile? That is total area upon my area of one tile. So total area is equal to this, and the area of one tile is this. We can cancel this. We'll find 45,000 tiles. So the number of tiles are required 45,000. So the next question is question number 5. In question number 5, he said, an ant is moving around a few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take the longer round? Remember, circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression c is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. So we have the solution of this question, that is distance covered by to take the round by an ant is equal to half of 2 pi r plus 2r. So half of 2 pi r is equal to 2 can be cancelled with this. So pi r will be this plus 2r. So pi is 22 by 7 multiply r is 1.4 plus 2 multiply 1.4. So it can be cancelled out. We'll get 4.4 plus 2.8. The answer will be 7.2 centimeter. Next part is B part. Distance traveled to take a round by the ant is equal to 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 2.8 plus half of 2 pi r. So 5.8 plus pi r is equal to, after solving we'll get 10.2 centimeter. Now the C part. Distance traveled to take a round by the ant, that is half of 2 pi r plus 2 plus 2 pi r plus 4. After solving we get 8.4 centimeter, and ant has to take longer round for food pieces is 10.2 centimeter. That's the answer of B part. Okay. So next he said, next we can say that, remember, circumference is 2 pi r, and the main question was that which piece has the longer round. So our correct answer is B part. Okay. So students, thank you very much. Have a nice day and do all the questions. And if I am doing all the questions, does not mean that you cannot attempt further questions. You must attempt further questions, and those are not done by me. It means you have to do these type of question. So nobody will blame that you have left that question, you have not done that question. Okay, you all have to do all the questions which are not done by me. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.